Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the image is in your gallery so you can select it immediately. Open your gallery app and locate the photo. Once done, return to the home screen and long press an empty area to open the customization menu. If your device uses settings, go to Display then Wallpaper instead. Make sure to pick the option that says Choose from Gallery or Photos. This directs the system to your saved images for the next selection step. You now tap the photo and choose Set as Wallpaper or Use as Wallpaper. This triggers the crop and alignment tools. Once the editor opens, drag and pinch to position the focal point and decide whether to apply it to the home screen, lock screen, or both. Make sure to preview the image so important parts aren't hidden by icons or widgets. If available, toggle any parallax or motion effects off for a static look. This preserves framing across screens. You finish by tapping Apply or Set. Wait for the system confirmation that the wallpaper is active. If the image doesn't appear or reverts, make sure the gallery app has storage and file permissions so the system can access the photo. Also confirm the image format is supported. JPEG and PNG are safest. If problems persist, restart the device, clear the launcher or home app cache, and then repeat the steps. This often resolves temporary permission or cache conflicts.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.